Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Salutations to Lord Nataraja. Namaskar to everyone. I am Apeksha Mundargi, a Bharatanatyam dancer from Mumbai. I am disciple of Guru Dr. Sucheta Sapekar and Dr. Alka Lajmi. Today, I feel very blessed to present a Bharatanatyam recital in the Bhakti Revival Festival. I thank the Bhakti Revival Festival and International Shiva community for giving me this auspicious opportunity. Bhakti. It means devotion. Bhakti is a love towards the God. There are various ways of bhakti. One of them is Kirtana. In the Kirtana, Bhakta sings and dances in the praise of God. Next composition is Kirtana. Here, Bhakta is praising Lord Shiva, the dancing form of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva, who is dancing in the golden hall of Chidambaram. And it is said that whoever worships Lord Shiva, then Lord Shiva will pacify all his worries and pains. Lord Shiva has no beginning and no end. He is the eternal one. He is the supreme being in this entire universe. And his greatness is accepted by Lord Brahma and Lord Vishnu. Presenting before you Kirtanam, Ananda Natam Aduvar Tillai.
Ananda Natam
That was Gunakirtanam of Lord Shiva. In the next composition, Bhakta is wondering to see the synthesized form of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, that is Ardhanarishwara Swarup, where right half of the body is of Shiva and left is taken up by Parvati. Shiva dances Tandava, Parvati dances Lasya. Shiva applies Bhasma, Parvati puts Kasturi Tilaka. Shiva wears Vyagra Charma, tiger skin. Parvati is dressed up with beautiful silk sarees. They both are different from each other, but they cannot live without each other. They represent the masculine and feminine energies of this universe, which are Purush and Prakriti. Presenting before you Ardhanga, the synthesized form of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati.
शशि उजियारा अर्ध शीश गंगा पीनाना अर्ध बाल चंदन लपटाए अर्ध बाल सिंदूर सुहाए जेन जेन गिट नम नम गिट जेन गिट नम गिट जेन गिट नम गिट जेन जेन गिट नम नम गिट जेन गिट नम गिट जेन गिट नम गिट अर्ध कंठ में विषहर धारा अर्ध कंठ अमृत की धारा अर्ध ग्रीव लंगटाए कराला अर्ध ग्रीव सोहे वनमाला गुंत 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 टिकिट तक नम टिकिट तक गुंत 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 टिकिट तक नम टिकिट तक अर्ध भुजा पर डमरू बाजे गुंत 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 अर्ध भुजा पर कंगन साजे नम 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 अर्ध भुजा पर डमरू बाजे गुंत 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 अर्ध भुजा पर कंगन साजे नम 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 अर्ध अंग पर भस्म लगाए अर्ध अंग श्रृंगार सजाए तक टिकिट तक टिकिट तक तुम टिकिट तक नम टिकिट तक टिकिट तक टिकिट तक तुम टिकिट तक नम टिकिट तक अर्ध घड़ी व्याघ्रांबर सोये अर्ध घड़ी श्वेतांबर सोये अर्ध अंग है तांडव रूप अर्ध अंग है लास स्वरूपा तरिगिड़ तरिगिड़ तुम तरिगिड़ नम तरिगिड़ तत्तदिन तत्तदिन तरिगिड़ तरिगिड़ तुम तरिगिड़ नम तरिगिड़ तत्तदिन तत्तदिन कड़दड़दो 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 तदिन तदिन तत्तदिन तदिन कड़दड़दो 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 तदिन तदिन तत्तदिन तदिन तुम तुम तरिगिड़ तुम तरिगिड़ तुम तरिगिड़ तुम नम 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 तरिगिड़ नम 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 तुम तरिगिड़ तुम तरिगिड़ तुम तरिगिड़ तुम नम 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 तरिगिड़ नम 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 तदिता 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 nothing in nada nothing in nada nothing in nada taditta 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 nothing in nada nothing in nada nothing in nada अर्ध अंग है तांडव रूपा अर्ध अंग है लास्य स्वरूपा जय 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 अर्धांगपति जय 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 अर्धांगपति जय 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 अर्धांगपति
I'll conclude my presentation with bhajan. Bhaja means to worship or to adorn, and bhajan is a prayer to the God. This is a very beautiful bhajan composed by Sri Maharaja Swati Tirunal of Travancore. In this bhajan, Bhakta, he is following Vaishnavism. He is a devotee of Lord Vishnu. One day, while worshipping the Lord, he asked Lord Vishnu, how do I get the salvation? And who is able to break the cycle of birth and death? And where should I go for this? Then Lord Vishnu guides him to meditate, and he realizes, Vishveshwara darshana kara, chalo mana tuma Kasi. Oh my mind, let's go to the Kashi to worship Lord Vishveshwara. He is the one who can break the bondage, this worldly bondage, the cycle of birth and death. Then he thinks, I am a devotee of Vishnu, then now I am worshipping Lord Shiva. Is it correct? Then he gets the answer. Padmanabha Kamalanayana Trinayana Shambho Mahesha. Bhajare ye ina do swarupa hai ye avinashi. You worship Vishnu and Shiva. Both are eternal and they are not different to each other. Presenting before you bhajan, which depicts the confluence of Shaivism and Vaishnavism. Presenting bhajan.
Vishweshwara darshan jape दर्शन जब विश्वेश्वर दर्शन जब कीनो बगु प्रेम सहित कीनो बगु प्रेम सहित कीनो बगु प्रेम सहित कीनो बगु प्रेम सहित विश्वेश्वर दर्शन जब कीनो बगु प्रेम सहित काटे काटे करुणा निदान काटे करुणा निदान काटे करुणा निदान जनन मरण नाशी काटे करुणा निदान जनन मरण नाशी विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चलो मन तुम आशी पदुमनाभ कमल नयन पदुमनाभ कमल नयन त्रिनयन शंभो महेश त्रिनयन शंभो महेश पदुमनाभ कमल नयन त्रिनयन शंभो महेश भज रे भज रे इंदो स्वरूप भज रे इंदो स्वरूप अविनाशी भज रे इंदो स्वरूप अविनाशी विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चलो मन तुम काशी विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चलो मन चलो मन चलो मन तुम काशी
If you have any questions, please ask me. Please share your comments. It would be pleasure. I will try to answer your questions. Thank you so much for your appreciation. I thank International Shiva Community and the Bhakti Revival Festival for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much for this. Also thank my gurus. Without their guidance, my performance is incomplete. Thank you so much. Yes, I teach. I have my institute in Navi Mumbai, and we follow Tanjore dance style. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. My guru is Dr. Sucheta Chapekar and Dr. Alka Lajmi. Please pardon me, actually I'm trying to read the question, so if there is any lack in the conversation, please pardon me for that. Ardhanga, it's not Ardhanarishwar, it's Ardhanga. I'm little confused about the rag because actually I had learned this composition from Jayashree Rajgopalan for one particular performance, and sorry, I'll get back to you about the same question. I'm not sure about the rag. Abhinaya, for that, thank you so much for your comment. For Abhinaya, actually, it's because of my guru's blessings, because of their guidance, and definitely for any art form, you should practice hard, and then definitely you can get the whatever required achievement you can. I'm just trying it. I am not acquired it, but because of my guru's blessings, I am doing it. Actually, I am trying to read it from the other phone, so my costumes, actually this costume I stitched from Bangalore, and it's not from one place in Mumbai, in different places. So
KTLT-B74LT5B disconnected. Ready to pair.
And thank you so much for your encouraging comments. Thank you. One question is that how do you teach Abhinaya to students? Children these days seems disconnected to Purana. Actually, we encourage them to learn stories from the Puranas, and yes, they are enjoying, and it's a one-to-one Abhinaya generally we teach. So generally it takes time to teach them, but I'm enjoying to teach them and they are learning.
Ready to pair.
Any questions if you have, please. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Jayesh ji. On the posture, first thing is that, just I said about Abhinaya part, your guru's guidance is very important, and then exercise, and for playing a particular character. Actually, it's not that Abhinaya is because it happens only from your eyes or from your face. It's entire body movement. So once you understand that character, then automatically it comes out. So if I am portraying Shiva, of course there is I have to follow the certain rules of Bharatanatyam, the postures, but if I'm playing Shiva, so I am Shiva. If I feel I am a Shiva, then definitely it comes from me that no, Shiva, so it's a Shiva, I am Shiva. And if it's a Parvati, then definitely the entire body should react like a Parvati. So I follow that. Yes, for dance, practice is really required. Thank you so much, ma'am. But practice is really important. Then only we can improve the stamina. Daily practice is must.
Question about time zones. The time, different times.
Okay. Please give it to me. About can you read the question?
What do you keep in mind while performing dances set in different time zones?
Time zones actually. While choreographing or performing, first we read the lyrics and we try to convey the meaning of the lyrics, what composer has written, and then definitely what is there. It is not that if ये जो song है वो 18th century का है तो मैं अलग उसको ट्रीट करूँगी, या this century का है तो अलग ट्रीट करूँगी, ऐसा नहीं है. It about words. And then definitely if there are particular episode, if the story is from epic, then I have to think about that कि epic में क्या आया है. So epic के बारे में वो study करना पड़ेगा कि if I am portraying Draupadi, so what is the characteristics of the Draupadi, or in especially in Javadi, in Padam, there are Nayaka, Shiva, Vishnu are the Nayaka, and Nayika is any other like any layman, कोई तो normal lady होती है, तो that time we have to think कि हाँ बाबा God के साथ love है तो कैसे हैंडल करना पड़ेगा. एंड इफ इट्स अ कॉन्टेम्प्ररी, अभी के ज़माने का है तो थोड़ा हम लिबर्टी ले सकते हैं, बट एट द सेम टाइम परफॉर्म करते वक्त मुझे लगता है कि जो हमारा कॉस्ट्यूम है, जो हमारी म्यूजिक है, ताल है, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली मूवमेंट्स देना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि वो कॉस्ट्यूम को, वो म्यूजिक को, सबको वो भरतनाट्यम आर्ट फॉर्म में वो सूट हो जाए, ऐसे कोरियोग्राफी करनी पड़ती है.
How many hours do you practice every day?
Around 4 to 5 hours I try to practice, and sometimes maybe more if required.
How do you smoothly change yourself into different characters?
As I said, as I said, you have to get into the skin of the character. That is very important. It's not just I'm playing this character. You should understand the entire personality of that character. If I'm portraying Shiva and Vishnu, both are the male characters, but what is Shiva's, how he will look. Now, for example, Shiva will look at Parvati with like this. At the same time, Vishnu he is a armorous king, so there is love in her eyes. Of course, Shiva has love, but there is subtle changes actually that you have to study. You have to observe the other dancers also. Then you can definitely understand how to change the characters.
How do you prepare for the character?
Similarly, actually, if I am performing any particular character, I read about that character. the stories and the characteristics, there's what is their nature, and then I try to present it before the audience. मला जरा ते उलट करून देणार का? मला फार हे कळत नाही.
घे आता तर पूर्ण घे ना असल्यास.
Please let me know if you have any doubts, any queries. या अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे मैंने किए हैं. मैंने वो यूरोप में और श्रीलंका में ICCR थ्रू मैंने परफॉर्मेंसेस भी किए हैं. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you everyone for your encouraging comments. It's a pleasure to have a word with you. Thank you so much. Once again, I thank Shiva community for international Shiva community for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much, and take care of yourself. Stay safe. And next performance it's scheduled at 4 o'clock, so please stay tuned for their performance, and my best wishes to the next performer. Thank you.